Okay, I'll just sit here.
Yeah.
Just tell me which one you need to pull. Probably gonna be. It's probably gonna be the back right, isn't it?
About now. So left brake, eh?
Brake.
Just to sort of keep it driving. It's just
a
going up
little
that
bit.
next bit there.
Right.
Just this bit here, it's just trying to keep it driving. And then the right brake, just sort of a little bit of resistance to keep it driving in here.
Yeah, boy.
Down there.
Just tell me what I need to do.
So I'm just going to go out wide. So once the front's sorted down, you just need to drop the arse, but you don't want to like flip me.
Right, about now.
Yeah, just lightly. Yeah.
Bit of resistance.
Try and just get it around. Yep. Keep going.
Harder.
Yeah, hard.